Hi guys, my name is Pete and this is Trading Kitchen. Welcome to this new video. We are Monday, so like every Monday, let's focus with a multi-time frame analysis. Looking for some good opportunities to trade in middle long-term perspective during this week. Okay, so as usual, let's start from S&P. And like I said in the last Monday overview, we are inside a strong bearish momentum, okay, in which, as you can see, price broke this last structure, and this is basically, it means that we do have this seller dominance, okay. And so basically for this week, obviously we want to go short to line with the main structure, but this probably is not the best zone to short. So probably we're going to wait for the price to reach the dominance, make a clear bearish pattern with a wolf wave possibly, and a retest inside the zone on the I usually take the 50%, okay, of the range. And so now here we can go short, okay. um, the stop loss will be just above this highs, and TP, well, uh, it's it's very hard to do here because I can't see anything that can stop the price until probably the zone in which we do have this liquidity, okay. But another good zone could be also this one, this, which we have this 1 2 3 long tails, means that here we have another liquidity, okay. And basically this was the last structure that we do have until price broke it. And so from this dominance, okay, so this could be a good demand zone. But I don't know if it will be strong enough to stop the price and push it up. Okay. Um, I just I'm just a little bit worried about this highs in which probably we do have liquidity here. Okay. So this will be the first aggressive trade that we can take. I sometimes, most of the times, I do prefer to be a little bit conservative. Okay, so if you want to be more conservative, you can wait for the price to reach to broke and grab to broke the zone to break the zone and grab all the liquidity here. And here we do have inefficiency to grab, to take. And this is the last supply zone that we can consider for a short, okay. In that case, uh, this could be our entry, and the TP will be here with a nice 6.4 risk reward. You can use also penny order here, okay. If you want to be much more conservative, you can wait for a same uh, uh, pattern to be created, or an engulfing or need tail candlestick pattern. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously, if we're going to see price breaking this structure, probably this will invalidate all the short ideas. Okay, let's move down on Nasdaq, and yeah, the scenario is more or less the same. And yeah, here we have the supply zone, and the more aggressive dominance is this one. So for the same reason that I told you before, is by the wait for the price to reach the zone, make a pattern, and then here we can enter. Okay, I just want to see price breaking the structure of the short term. Okay, so this. Okay, uh, in this case, obviously the entry will be here, and then the target, we're going to see it later. Here we do have the same thing that we do have in on S&P, that we have to pay attention, because here we have 1, 2, 3 days. So probably here there is a lot of liquidity to grab. And so if price will break this zone, grabbing all the liquidity, the possible entry will be from this, so from this inefficiency, and so wait for the price to reach the zone, make the same pattern, and then go short. What about target? The target could be here, because we do have a lot of liquidity to grab. And yeah, to be honest, also here there is inefficiency. Very good. And yeah, so the first target will be this one, which is 1.3 for the first target, and the second one will be about this, with this entry and this target, which is 1.6 more or less, which is quite good. Okay, the last thing I want to show you guys is no, we're going to see DAX, and well, the scenario was a little bit different, because we are on the bearish momentum, but price already make a new low that must be broken. But here we do have this supply zone that has already been tested here. So, and then here we have a dynamic liquidity. Okay, this is very good. So what does it mean? The price will first broke this trend line, maybe going to retest the zone, and we can go short here. Okay, so with the stop loss here. And what about target? I do prefer to set the target down here on the lows. Eventually you can leave the trade until this kind of this inefficiency, and we do have another liquidity level here. Okay, so this will be a nice 6.3 risk reward. Okay, obviously here you have to wait an intraday engulfing or an intraday candlestick pattern, okay, a wolf wave, a manipulation, something like that, okay, before going short. So I told you before, last thing is quite interesting on Euro USD, because as you can see, the scenario was pretty much the same. So we are in a strong bearish momentum, and here there are so much zone in which we can align the main structure. So here and here there's a zone that broke this structure that had already been tested here. Okay, so this was a very good trade to take, and probably I miss it. But anyway, as you can see here, we do have a wolf wave pattern with an engulfing, very very good. The thing I want to tell you is about targeting. Okay, so look at here. Here we have, so we have a lot of liquidity here, okay, because we do have 1 2 3 long tails. That means that probably there is a lot of volumes here to take, and so be very careful to short here, because probably price will react, okay. And as you can see, we are close enough to the zone, okay. So be very careful to short close here, because if we are going to see a strong movement, okay, with the 2 3 candles, it means that probably the momentum, it will be bullish, and probably the trend is going to change, because as you can see, after this long bearish movement, the we are not inside the premium zone, okay. So obviously we're going to see a middle long term perspective, okay, for a long term trade. So if you want to go short, it will be better to wait for the premium zone to be reached, which is this one, okay, above the 50% of all this range, okay. It will be so much better wait the 0.775 zone with this level. And as you can see here, we have a double top. That means that here are a lot of liquidity, because so this will be a very great zone to trade, okay. Here we are. So here we are inside a huge discount zone. It means that we must be very very careful before opening a short position, okay, because it could be very very risky. So probably I will wait also for a long, but I want to see price breaking the zone, retest with the strong bullish momentum, okay, retesting. So let me remove, sorry, this drawings, because it's not clear. And so what I want to see, break strong bullish momentum and retest the zone, okay. This is what I want to see before opening a long position. From where? From here, 50% of in all of this range, or you can wait for the clear inefficiency to take, okay. Stop loss just a few pips above below the low. And what about target here? Okay. No, sorry. This double top here. So the premium zone, which is the 70 of all this range. Okay, guys. I hope you do like this video. Let me know what you think about it using the comment section below, and that's pretty much it. So enjoy trading for this week, and we're going to see on the next Monday. Thank you very much, guys. You.